Hi guys, so today I'm working on a Jaguar engine. It's a V6 3.0 Supercharged. So today I'm doing the timing chain sprocket preload, because after doing the timing chain aligned with the timing mark like I showed in the last video, you need to do the preload on the sprocket. So I already did the bank 2, I think it's on the driver's side. So I put my tool on the intake side and start to preload by torquing these bolts on the exhaust side and finishing with the intake side on the driver's side. And on the passenger side, it's not the same. You need to preload on the exhaust side, and you need to torque the bolt for the preload on the intake side first, and after you finish with the exhaust side on the passenger side only. So the torque for the sprocket is 35 Newton meter, and after you want to torque the boat with another torque at 32 Newton meter. So you start, like I said, with the other side, the intake side, and you finish with the exhaust side for the passenger side. So I can maybe show you a video, an example. So now I'm moving to the exhaust side only for this bank. So that's it. You can remove the tool and your torque wrench, and your preload is done. So now you're ready to prime the timing system with some oil. Put back the pickup tool that has at its place, and you can put back the car together, the front cover, the timing cover, the upper one, and also the valve cover, spark plug, injector, and that will be pretty much it for this this work. So thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoy. Have a nice day and subscribe.